Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to add table in Google Forms questions. Important note, Google Forms does not natively support inserting tables as part of the form layout. However, you can simulate a table using the multiple choice grid or checkbox grid question types. Here's how. Add a question. Click the plus icon to add a new question. From the drop-down menu, select either multiple choice grid for allowing only one answer per row or checkbox grid for allowing multiple answer per row. Use the rows for the item you're asking about and the columns for the available response options. In the question title, you can put this. What is your preference for each type of plant? For row 1, you can put aloe vera. For row 2, you can put spider plant. For column 1, you can put love it. For column 2, you can put like it. This setup allows the respondent to choose one preference per plant using multiple choice grid or choose multiple preferences per plant using checkbox grid. And that's it. That's how to add table in Google Forms questions. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.